Hey guys, it's Ryan. Welcome once again to my channel, and in this video I am going to be unboxing one of the stuff that I picked up from Louis Vuitton Brisbane when I was over in Australia for a business trip. And I picked up a key pouch, and as you can see, it came with a very cute bag. It's a Christmas edition bag. It's really cute, kind of like a damier ebene but orange and blue. And it obviously it came with some samples. If you do have an account with Louis Vuitton, obviously you get freebies like perfume samples, nice packaging. The ribbon, or the ribbon that it came with is kind of the same as their holiday edition from last year. So yeah, that's nothing new. So as you can see, it's the same old sort of the classic Louis Vuitton packaging, with your box and the dust bags. And this is the key pouch. It's a two-tone Monogram Eclipse canvas, and then the reverse Monogram Eclipse on the other side, which I am super obsessed with. This is my third key pouch. I'm such a big fan of their key pouches, because they're very useful and they're not expensive at all. And another thing that I really like about this particular key pouch is that it's very gender neutral. Yeah, and it says on the website that it's got silver hardware, but for me it kind of looks a little gunmetal-y or a little light grayish. Yeah, there's a textile card or product card with a QR code. I've made a video about my other key pouch and how I would normally use it and how useful it is. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to be linking the video within this video towards the end. So you can just click on that, and yeah, and consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. So this is the two-tone key pouch in comparison with my other key pouches. As you can see, they're all very cute. I noticed that the damier ebene one is it feels a little thicker and kind of a bit more firm than the other two. I think it's just the type of material, but that's okay. It doesn't really matter. Yeah. They're holding up really well. I've been stuffing this with lots of cards and other different like incidentals or receipts or cash. So this is the card case, slightly bigger. Yeah, that's it guys. It's just an unboxing video. Thanks for watching, and you guys keep safe, and I would see you in my next video.